Sorry to do this to you, Alex, but I thought it might be just easy to show you rather than talk or write it up or something like that so you can see. So the first thing I would like is if you could have this window here, if we can frost that up with one of those plastic decals so that it still lets the light through. The other thing that I would like is if you could put the notice board from the old office in the tin shed where the science department is going. If you could put that there. And then likewise, any other notice boards or anything like that, if you could try and get them put along this wall at the back, okay, and just fill up the space with whatever. I don't care what they look like. So with this wall again, we could just fill up that with a notice board, and this with notice boards as well. All right, and then this wall, if I could have a coat rack here, just along the wall. If we could have a book, just a bookcase here for all the different textbooks and things like that that I have, that would be great. And also, if I could get the heater replaced. There, I've put in the heater you took out of the tin shed. I've put in the office there where it can be replaced. And the other thing is in that little alcove at the back, around this area, we really need those shelves put across here, and if possible, a split down the middle. Now I'll need those to be about 200 millimeters apart and as many shelves as you can get in. They're for assessments so that we can have each different class's assessments all stored in that area. And also, as long as the dividers are wide enough that we can fit four sheets of paper between them. So however you think best to do that, that'd be great. And then just anything else, just have a chat to me, that'll be great.